Hello friends, I hope all you are safe and healthy. Today I will show you how to make home automation using Node MCU. In this project we need two Node MCU. The first Node MCU act as a server, the second Node MCU act as a client. So in this project we do not need any router or internet. The two Node MCU connect to each other with the help of their Wi-Fi. One of them create a hotspot so the client connect to the server. Let's see the parts required. We have two Node MCU. Make one of the Node MCU as hotspot and other Node MCU as Wi-Fi or station. Let us first focus on the hotspot part. For this we use soft AP. Soft AP means software access point. It creates the access point or hotspot. This is the soft AP. This is the SSID part, and this is the password of the hotspot, and this is the SSID of the hotspot. You can also change this and this also. It print the number of devices is connected to this hotspot. Upload this. Press the reset button. Change to this baud rate. See, at that time there is no devices connected. That's why it said no stations connected. Now I connect my smartphone to this hotspot. It is connected. See, it is connected. ESP soft AP. Now I disconnect. Now we create a Wi-Fi on another Node MCU. First of all, we connect the Node MCU to the PC. To connect to the hotspot, we need to SSID of the hotspot. This is the SSID of the hotspot, and this is the password of the hotspot. See this, these SSID and the password all are the same as that of hotspot. We see that we connect the mobile phone to the hotspot. Now we connect the Wi-Fi to the hotspot, means the second Node MCU to the hotspot. If we connect to the hotspot, then it print the local IP address. We need this IP address. Now we upload the code. Here COM3. See, it is uploaded. Press reset. Now I also turn on my hotspot with the help of the USB cable. See, I connect this. This is my hotspot and this is my Wi-Fi. See, it said that it is connected. The IP address is this. Now copy this IP address, because we need this IP address in the further project. Let's see Wi-Fi final code. Include this library. Write SSID and the password of the hotspot or the access point. write IP address of the access point, initialize the 4 button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, and connect button 1 to D1 pin of the node MCU, button 2 connected to D2 pin of the node MCU, similarly button 3, button 4. And now we initialize the 4 variables to 0. We need these variables in further code. This line connect the Wi-Fi to the access point or hotspot. These all 4 buttons connected in input pull-up mode. A client is connected to the server. These all are the 4 buttons which read the data from the button. This variable read the data from the button 1. This read the data from button 2. This read data from button 3, and so on. If this button is state, read data from button 1, and if it is high, then it send the message relay 1 on to the another node MCU which act as a hotspot. If button 1 state equals to low, then it send the message to the another node MCU. Similarly for button 2, and similarly for button 3, similarly for button 4. Let's see the final hotspot code. Include this library. This node MCU act as a server, or you can also say that the hotspot act as a server. This is the IP address of the hotspot, and this is the subnet mask. I initialize 4 relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, and relay 4. Relay 1 is connected to D0 of node MCU, and relay 2 is connected D1 pin of the node MCU. Similarly relay 4 connected to D2, similarly relay 4, and these all are the variables I initialize to 0. Let's see these variables further in the code. This is my SSID and the password of the hotspot. It start the server. I connect all 4 relays in output mode. This is while loop. Inside while loop there are the variable which is request 1, request 2, request 3, and request 4. I initialize these variables to 0. See, and these variables read the value or read the string which is coming from the another node MCU which act as a Wi-Fi. From there, from the Wi-Fi part of the node MCU, there are 4 values are coming. So I read the 4 values from here by using these variables. Let's see the condition. If I press the button from the another node MCU, then it sends the message relay 1 off. If it sends the message is equals to relay 1 off, then the relay is turned on. If I press this button one more time, then the relay is turned off. Simply we can say that if I press the button for one time, then it turn on the relay. Okay, if I press the button twice, then it turn off the relay. I connect various appliances to the relay, so we can control these appliances through wirelessly. Similarly for second relay, similarly for third relay, similarly for fourth relay. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. If you have any queries regarding to this project, then comment below, and after that I answer your comment. Follow social distancing, always wear mask and stay safe.